Hello. Well, here we're talking about our education. One of the things that we're very proud of is the education we provide our clients. We effectively provide you with what you need to learn and know and understand in order to manipulate the system to your benefit. So on successful completion of your enrollment, our Austin Credit Group Profile Review Program, we will provide you with links to the education, what you need to do with your existing accounts to make sure that you're moving in the right direction. Click on the Get Started Here button, complete the application, and once that's done, it'll take you to a page where you can pay us. And on successful completion of the payment, we will provide you with a link to an education page that has several links for different videos and PDFs for you to get started. Make it a great day.